Today, we face a pivotal moment in data and asset management. Traditional methods are no longer sufficient to meet the demands of modern businesses. Businesses still rely on complex, word-based software to manage vast amounts of data from multiple sources, often within large and complicated environments, to oversee their facilities and assets. Visualise Info specializes in solving these challenges with our innovative platform, delivering complex data at a glance. Humans process images 60,000 times faster than words. In our everyday lives, we increasingly interact through imagery on our smart devices. Visualise Info have partnered with IBM to develop an innovative approach to asset management. We offer a unique and comprehensive solution for modern asset management with a powerful visual user interface that is fully integrated into Maximo. We link real-time data from any enterprise IoT platform to IBM sustainability solutions, making them easier to use and increasing automation of workflows to give IBM a point of difference with competitors. Visualise Info takes a user-focused approach to asset management by making Maximo easier to use through our intuitive interface. Ensure user buy-in. By simplifying Maximo, more employees will be able to utilize it effectively. Simplify and speed up training. New staff will be able to get up to speed quicker, reducing the training burden on companies. Democratize data. Site and critical asset knowledge is now being retained, documented and made accessible across the organization. Improved first-time fix rates. Geolocation and intuitive features give technicians the tools to prepare for tasks and ensure they are completed first time. Instant site knowledge. Geo-referencing gives you precise asset location to within 5 mm. Automate workflows. The VI platform can automatically generate work orders in Maximo using IoT sensor alerts, moving organizations towards condition-based maintenance. Drive sustainability. Leverage the technology of IBM Sustainability Solutions and IoT using the Visualise Info platform for strategic, reliable ESG reporting. Our business is data. We capture it, process it, refine it, and then present it visually as information that a user can consume at a glance. Visualise Info's platform fully integrates with IBM Sustainability Solutions, transforming complex asset data into clear, actionable insights. We empower businesses to understand and utilize Maximo for smarter decision-making, enhanced asset lifecycle, and optimized productivity. Let's leverage the power of Maximo through visualization. Visualise Info. Complex data at a glance.